Just a reminder that this content is for education and entertainment purposes. All content in this presentation is of general comment only, which does not take into account your current personal or financial circumstances and is not advice. Please seek advice from a qualified and trusted financial advisor before acting upon any of the information in this presentation.
Hi, my name is Ling and I'm a partner here at Cutcher Neale. The most common pain point we hear about from most businesses is finding the time to squeeze everything in. With good staff being really hard to come by, we often see business owners wearing many hats during the day, and then on top of that, they're spending late nights trying to keep up to date with bookkeeping and other administration functions of the business. Today we wanted to be able to help you get back some of those hours by giving you some time-saving tips so that you're able to work smarter, not harder, using Xero. So why do we love Xero? Xero is a product that continually looks to improve the user experience by constantly improving its functionality, as well as opening up their system to allow add-on apps that can provide businesses with additional tools to get the job done better and, more importantly, faster. Today I have with me Tiggy Garven, who is one of our Xero heroes, and she's going to give us some ideas on things that business owners can use. Tiggy, I know during your work you see many ways in which business owners use Xero to make their lives easier, but what are some of the quick wins that people could do to save time in Xero?
Hi everyone, as mentioned, my name is Tiggy and I'm Cutcher Neale's resident Xero hero. I work with our clients to get the best out of their Xero subscription. My first and biggest tip would be to speed up the reconciliation process by connecting your bank feeds into your file. This will import your bank transactions on a daily basis. My next tip would be to set up good bank rules. This will automatically remember how you want to allocate an item on your statement, and this will take away the manual entry of who, what and why and replace it with one click. If you see a transaction more than 3 times, you should have a bank rule set up. Once all your bank rules are set up, Xero does have a bulk reconcile feature available, which may be suitable to some businesses who reconcile a large volume of transactions. I recommend speaking with your accountant or Xero advisor to work out the best option for your business. Using the files inbox in your Xero file is a good way to store your documents and attach them to your transactions with ease. Each inbox has a unique email address in which you can forward the documents to. HubDoc is a great program to use if you are seeing a mid to high volume of bills per week. This program is already included in your premium Xero subscription. HubDoc uses artificial intelligence to read the key information on your bills and publish them into Xero. If you are receiving invoices from suppliers that are coded the same way every time, you can take that one step further and allow HubDoc to auto-sync this with Xero, so when you log in, the bills are waiting to be paid and reconciled. You can either drag and drop these documents from your desktop, forward them from your email, or download the HubDoc app and snap and send on the go. In conjunction with HubDoc, you can also pay your suppliers in bulk with an ABA file. In Xero, select multiple bills from different suppliers, create a batch payment file, and upload to your internet banking. This can reduce the risk of paying the wrong amount or supplier in error and increasing your efficiency as you are not manually entering each payment into your banking system. If you have regular invoices to send, using Xero's repeating invoices feature will save time on data entry. Set up a template and Xero will automatically create an invoice or template for you according to the specifications you have selected and drop it into the drafts tab if needed to vary the amount monthly, or awaiting payments tab if the same amount every time. Automatic reminders can be sent to your debtors to remind them of the outstanding invoices. You can also set credit limit and easily see how much is owing. Another good way to have visibility over your cash flow is to use the accounts watch list on your dashboard. This tracks the monthly movement versus year-to-date movement on the accounts you select. This watch list is created by simply ticking on the Add to Accounts watch list in your chart of accounts. If you are having trouble finding the time to complete all of these tasks, perhaps a job management program may be beneficial for you to streamline that end-to-end process. Xero integrates with a lot of really good job management apps such as Tradeify or ServiceMate. These apps help you streamline your whole administration process while allowing the flexibility to do quotes and invoicing on the job, so you are not having to come home and sit for hours working through the day's work. Your employees are able to track their time and expenses, giving you an overview as to which stage each job is at and overall profitability. The first thing I suggest is consistency throughout the pay templates with your employees. Xero allows you to set this up on an individual employee basis. If your employee works the same amount each week, this can be set up automatically to populate in your pay run you are drafting. Again, ABA files can be downloaded from your posted pay run and uploaded into your internet banking to pay your employees in a batch payment to their normal nominated accounts. This is a safe and secure way to pay your employees while eliminating manual entry and preventing errors. Use AutoSuper to make employee superannuation contributions. This saves time manually processing superannuation through a clearinghouse. It will also ensure that your superannuation payments amount match your payroll and ensure that it is paid on time. Xero have an inbuilt app called My Payroll. Your employee downloads the My Payroll app and submits their timesheets for your approval. This is then sucked into the pay run that you are drafting. Employees can also submit their leave requests through this app, also saving you having to enter this manually before processing your pay. If you have a larger business or a complicated need to schedule staff on different types of shifts around the clock, a payroll software such as Deputy may be a good solution for you. Regular shifts can be copied to each week or templates created by dragging and dropping open available shifts to different employees. Leave requests show on roster automatically helps prevent rostering errors. You can push rosters to your employees via SMS and assist with the employee onboarding process and award interpretation. Xero allows you to offer online payments, direct debits, and pay now options to your customers and clients. Research shows that you are likely to be paid twice as fast offering online payment services to businesses who don't. Xero integrates with a range of merchant service providers such as PayPal, Stripe, or Go Cardless, to name a few.
Thanks, Tiggy. There's certainly lots of time-saving ideas you've discussed. Whilst most businesses are now focused on getting things ready for the end of financial year, remember it is also the perfect chance for you to review and implement some of these tips to make sure the start of the new financial year is started in the best possible way. Whilst it might be some short-term pain to set up, many of these tips will provide massive time savings over the next year and years to come, and most importantly, free up your valuable time. Alternatively, you can give your advisor or Tiggy a call about any of these items or any other Xero pain points that we can work with you to look at possible solutions. Thank you.
Just a reminder that this content is for education and entertainment purposes. All content in this presentation is of general comment only, which does not take into account your current personal or financial circumstances and is not advice. Please seek advice from a qualified and trusted financial advisor before acting upon any of the information in this presentation.